Hi guys, good evening to you all by my time here, but good time to where you are. So this strategy is a short video. I'm giving you this strategy. Very simple and easy. Let's go. Yeah. This is the Boom 1000 market, and this strategy works on all the booms and the crash. But I will be telling you candlesticks that you'll be taking, because you can't take the candlestick on Boom 1000 if the condition met, and you will also take that same candlesticks on Boom 300 because you will definitely cut by a spike. But let's go. Okay, a spike just happened. So this is a final zoom in. A spike just happened 1 minute ago. You see this previous candle is a minute ago. So let's go to the strategy setup. You go to your RSI first of all. This is the setup of the RSI, and these are the level. You go back and click done. You come again, you go to your market facilitation index, which is the last indicator that is on your MT5 indicators area, the last one. As you can see it here, and you click it. These are the setup: blue, white, white, blue. If you are using black background, you can turn it to, you will turn this center to the same color. But if you are using white background, turn this center to the same color and turn this blue to any color of your choice. But make sure that the upper color and down one are the same, because my own is blue. I can turn it to orange. I can turn it to like sky blue, anyone, but I want to use, let me use purple this time. Okay, purple. I'll click the done. Okay, this is how it is. For your zoom level that you are going to use is two zoom levels. So you will use anyone you want to use, anyone of your choice that you feel like to use, anyone at all. Okay, now let's go guys. The first zoom level is, you will zoom out finally, which is the final one, like this. This is the first zoom level that you are going to use, final one. Then we go, if this line right here touches your 90 level, then you on the boom you sell, on the crash we are buying, while on the boom we are selling. If it touches your 90 level, make sure it touches the 90 level. But this one did not touch the 90 level, we leave that one. This one almost touched the 90 level, almost. It didn't touch it, but if I zoom it, it will touch. As you can see, this one, it did not touch the 90 level, as you can see it. But if I zoom it in, it will touch the 90 level. Let me zoom here now. You see, it touches the 90 level. It touches it. If I zoom in again, it will still touch it. You see, it touches it again. But if I zoom out, it will not touch the 90 level. This is the first zoom out. It's two you are going to use. This is the first one. So for the 1000 series, the 1000 market, on the crash and the boom, you are taking 4 candles. If you can't, this one didn't touch it here. Let's look for the one that touches it. Wow. Okay, we have found new one. You see, if I zoom in to count the candles of this one, let me zoom in so that we'll mark the area. Let me mark the area. We are at it. Okay, this is it. Oh, this is it. That's the, let me zoom in. If I count the candles, you see that complete 4. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's even 5. But is 4 that you will take on the 1000 market. Why on the 300 market you take 1 or 1.5? While on the 500 market you take 2 or 2.5. The first one, condition met, here you take your 4 candles and you get out from the market. The second one here, conditions are met, you take your candles, you get out from the market. Although there was a little bit spike, but if you look it very well, you will see that there is also a downtrend that is more than 4 candles, but take 4 candles. Secondly, use your price action market. Like I said, the clock strategy. If you don't know about the o'clock strategy, this is the o'clock strategy. You click at the market, you zoom out finally, then click it to check the area the market is going to with the indicator. So let me first of all indicate this. Let me remove this area. I want to, oh, sorry guys, I want to remove this area first of all. Let me fill it with green. Where is it? It's out. Okay. Let me remove the area that I'm going to mark with green. Is not above the explanation. This area is not above the explanation, guys. It's not on the explanation, rather. Okay, now let's look at this area. First of all, you draw your trend line. To look at the market. Okay, from here to here is going up. So let's look at something. Let's use the o'clock strategy. Let me use the o'clock strategy because some of you don't understand the o'clock strategy. Let me use it. Okay, I will zoom in. Let me zoom in to use the o'clock strategy. And secondly, your screen, I forgot to say that. Make sure your screen is at the front of this dollar sign. Then you stop it right there. I think this video won't be more than 10 minutes. Okay, now let's see. This is how to use the o'clock strategy. Let me zoom in for you guys, you precious guys. Wow, too much. Okay, let me zoom out finally. This is good. I'll use it like this so you understand. So for the o'clock strategy, this is how it works. The o'clock strategy, it has the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 5 o'clock. Now you first of all click the center of the end point. Example, the market was at this point where you saw it. You just came to the market and saw it at this point. You will click that point. If you click it, yeah, it's going to show like this. Then use your trade line to check the area. This is the strategy. This is 1 o'clock, your H1, 2 o'clock, H4, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. That is it. If the market is going to the 3 o'clock, the D1 is a consolidation market. Don't take any trade there. Wait. If it is going 1 o'clock, H1 is up. 4 o'clock, H1 is weak up, but you are also good. 5 o'clock, MN is down, while the W1, which is 4 o'clock, is weak down, but you are also good. Okay, now let's go. Video should not be more than 10 minutes. It will be more than 10 minutes. Woo! Now let's go, guys. Now for this present market right here, if I said I should trace it from this area according to the trend line, is an uptrend. You see, this H1 to H4 is an uptrend, while the W1 to the MN is a downtrend. But why this D1 is an uptrend? Sorry, consolidation market. A market that is neither going up or down. That is the D1. You should not take any market there because it might go to the wrong direction. If the market is going to the D1, you might say buy, it will sell. You might say sell, it will buy. So wait until it's going to rather up or down. Yeah, you see, this is good, very good. Wow, that's very, very big. Okay, okay, okay. That I've explained how this. Right. Let me go to the downtrend area so you see what I'm talking about. You should see what I'm talking about. Woo! This is a downtrend. You see the MN, these two areas. It's a downtrend. You see the market. And back to our main strategy. You see here touches the 90 level, and 4 successful candles was there. And even though you got caught by the spike, you also recover, but don't go more than 4 candles. And if you come to the market and saw that it has already gone to 2 candles, just take for example, you come to the market and see that you are 2 minutes late from the spike, which is the 2 candles, because 1 candle is 1 minute. If you are 2 minutes late, take the other 2 minutes, the other 2 candles. If you are 2 candles late, take the other 2 candles. If you are 3 candles late, take the 1 candle. But if you are in the 4 candles, if you want to take that 4th candle. Once the market moved to the 5th one, close your trade. Any profit you make there, just close it. But if you're already in the 4th candle late, just leave it till another entry, guys. Okay, that's for that. Let me go to the crash 1000, the crash 1k. On this one, we are buying. Go to your higher time frame to see where the market is going to. Example, 15 minutes, because I use 15 minutes to go to the trend market. You use 15 minutes for the o'clock strategy, not 1 minute, because I just showed you how the o'clock strategy works. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, consolidation, 4 o'clock, weak downtrend, 5 o'clock, a good downtrend. You see. So I already showed you how it works, but you go to your 15 minutes time frame to see where this. Let's see where this market is going to. I think it's up. Wow, it's down. It's a down, but it's trying to go up. At this area, it's going up, but at this area, it's coming down. You can also use your 5 minutes. At this area on the 5 minutes, it's going up. You can use your 5 minutes for faster entries. You can use it if you want to. But anywhere you see, in case you are in your 5 minutes, anywhere you see where this line touches 90 level, man, you are good to take 1 or 2 complete candles. What did I say? 1 or 2 complete candles. If you take 2 complete candles on the 5 minutes time frame, that is 10 candles on the 1 minute time frame. But if you take 1 complete candle on the 15 minutes time frame, that's 15 candles on the 1 minute time frame. So don't go more than 1 candle actually. If you see this entry at the 5 minutes, or 1 or 2, if you want to add like this one right here, this one that is right here, yes, it's this one. You see this is the 5 minutes, 1 candle, 2 candle. These 2 candles are 10 candles on the 1 minute. Let me look for another entry. Although this particular candle did not touch the 90 level, let me box it out so that you will see what I'm talking, so that you won't see that maybe the strategy failed. No, like I said, final zoom out. If I zoom out finally, you will see that this one here didn't touch the 90 level. It didn't touch it. It's because I zoom it, that is why it touches it. So respect the instructions. Zoom out finally, please. Always zoom out finally. Why don't it want to move now? Look at it. Okay, I want to zoom it finally. Zoom out rather. Wow, you see? Did you see it? You see it now? It didn't touch it. It didn't touch it. It's at this area. This area. Look at where it is here. But for this second one, I guess this touches it. Yeah, it touches it like with confidence, with a great confidence. It touches it. So if I zoom in, you will see that the one candle is complete. You see the one candle is complete. I zoom out again to go, but this strategy is on mainly just to come here to check your downtrend. You can use it on the 5 minutes, one candle. Let me switch to the 15 minutes to see what's going on. You see 15 minutes make an awesome thing right here. It's a one candle here, right? Like one candle. This is the one candle, but this is a complete 15 candles on 1 minute. Complete one. 15 candles, no spike. But don't go to the 15 minutes time frame to go and be trading if you have a small account, except for those big account users. Let's come back to the 1 minute to see what's happening. Yeah, like I said, on this area you are taking 4 candles, while on the crash the crash and boom 500, you are taking 2 candles or 2.5, while on the crash and boom 1300, you are taking 1 candle or 1.5, because they are very volatile. If you get caught by a little spike, that is a huge money. That is why you are taking 1 candle or 1.5. While on this one, 1000 of the crash and boom, you are taking 4 candles. 4 good candles. Don't go more than 4 candles, please. Don't go more than 4 good candles, please. 4 good candles. Okay, that's for that. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, because this is very, very awesome. Let me just add the fractal to it. Let me see what's the fractal also telling me to do. Fractal, what are you doing? Fractal is not supported. How? Okay. So guys, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. And go to the market and go and make a good profit, because this is the market maker. My Telegram channel is at the description link below. I also post free signals there. Thank you guys.